Hello and welcome everybody to the special edition of XTB Live News. My name is Walid Koudmani, market analyst for XTB. And in this brief video, we're going to be covering today's main topic, which is Avis stock surging over 200% and reaching a new record after the much better than expected earnings report and the investor sentiment that followed, obviously, some hype around this stock. So, as always, disclaimer at first. And moving on to some top news affecting the stock. Avis Budget Group stock skyrockets more than 200% and traded as high as $540 on investor interest following the Q3 earnings report. The car rental company reported quarterly earnings of $10.74 per share, well above analyst estimates of $6.52. Revenue increased 96%, so almost doubled to $3 billion from $1.534 billion. This is on a yearly basis and much better than the estimates of $2.7 billion. Strong demand for rental cars and higher rental rates positively affected Avis's budget as well. And the company announced a $1 billion increase to its share repurchase program. This is something that we've been seeing from other companies as well throughout this earnings season. Here on the right, you can see the chart with Avis stock price car on the X Station 5. Stock surging over 200% and hitting a new record before pulling back slightly, as you can see, after the company easily topped market forecasts. Key thing to keep an eye on today is that until we have a daily close, the price is going to be in uncertain territories because we have no previous levels to look at, so no previous support or resistances, except for obviously the previous range, which is around 168, 170. But today's daily close is going to play a key part in seeing how the price progresses. So clearly a very positive performance, but we could expect some increased volatility in the market, in particular for this stock moving forward in the next few days as the price settles, as more investors jump into the hype as well, which we have seen in other stocks in the past. However, there is a larger sentiment behind this as well. So it seems that the recent surge of Avis share price is related to the hype around Tesla as well. So if you follow that stock, you may have heard of the news regarding Tesla and Hertz and the concept that car rental companies are contributing to the mass adoption of electric vehicles in everyday life. So something that is going to push towards more electric vehicles is the adoption by car rental companies because they have such a high demand. However, additionally, the rideshare industry continues to make its slow recovery back to pre-pandemic levels after the easing of the lockdowns and the economy turning to normal, which also supports the bullish sentiment. And here on the right, we can see on this chart, observing the sequential improvement in the gap between 2021 and 2019, which indicates that supply-demand imbalance between drivers and riders is beginning to diminish. So we have seen a rise in demand from all sides, as well as this impact on the market as a whole. So this is just a brief update on the situation. As you can see, some major factors, some key earnings reports today, very, very positive reports, but keep an eye out for the volatility moving forward, especially in the next few days as the price settles, as more investors jump into the trades. And you can obviously find this stock CFD on the X Station 5 as car.us. And I wish you the best of luck. Thank you very much. Good luck with your trading. My name is Walid Koudmani, market analyst for XTB.